What is good, everybody? I am back with a banger. Today we have a delicious Cajun shrimp linguine, jam-packed with flavor, so amazing, and I'm about to show you how it's done. Let's get started. So to begin, I have a pot of water to a rolling boil. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of salt in there, and we are gonna get our pasta in there as well. I want my pasta al dente. You're gonna look at the directions on your packaging. Mine took about 8 minutes to get to where I want them to be. Once they're fully cooked, go ahead and drain them off and put them to the side. We're gonna move on to the next step. I'm dropping a little bit of unsalted butter in my pan. I got the heat to about a medium. Once that butter is all melted up, I am then gonna drop in some minced garlic, and I'm gonna let that aroma hit the air. Guys, my kitchen smells so amazing right at this point in time. Got that garlic doing its thing. Once you let it brown up for a little bit, you're gonna go ahead and dump in your shrimp. Mines are peeled, deveined with the tail off, and we are gonna season them up proper. We are using Tony's Creole seasoning as well as Mrs. Spicy seasoning, but whatever Creole seasoning you have on hand, it will do. Go ahead and be generous, go crazy, you know, because we do not believe in those stingy hands when it comes to seasoning up your food, guys. Ain't nothing bland over here. You already know the model, guys. Go ahead and let your shrimp do their thing. The bigger the shrimp, the longer they cook, but you do not want to overcook them things because they will come out oh so rubbery. So depending on the size, you look at the cook time. I had jumbo shrimp, they didn't take too long at all. I'm gonna now drop in a little bit of chicken broth as well as some Worcestershire sauce, some hot sauce, and a little bit of lemon juice, guys. Let me tell you, that little hint of lemon, guys, that thing be hitting. I'm trying to let you know, guys, it just gives this dish a extra little oomph, if you know what I mean. Go ahead and get all of that in there. Go ahead and mix it up. Let it come to a little bit of a simmer, guys. And we are also gonna invite some freshly chopped parsley to the party. And now the party's jumping. The party is jumping right at this point, guys. Go ahead and continue to let it simmer up for a little bit. Mix it together, guys. Let them all communicate with one another. And it is time to add our pasta to this. Add your pasta to this. Give it a mix. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to inform you. I'm trying to inspire you to get in the kitchen and enjoy this recipe, guys. After giving it a nice little mix, go ahead and plate up, and enjoy some good old delicious pasta, guys. This is next level, next stratosphere, next world type food right here, guys. It is that good. I'm trying to tell you guys, listen to me. You know, I would never steer you in the wrong direction, guys. This is it right here. I cannot wait for you guys to try it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a like for your boy. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button as well. Hope you guys enjoy watching. I will see you on the next one. Notification Squad, where you at?